show you is the difference between the first generation and the second generation here. The reason why I got the second generation Echo was because it has a 3.5 millimeter audio out on here, and what I wanted to do was hook that into my hi-fi, my old school hi-fi, to get better sound. So I hooked everything up, plugged it in, and to tell you the truth, I wasn't really impressed with the sound coming out of this 3.5 here. It worked, but the sound quality, I don't know what it is. So I checked the comments on Amazon, you know, the people who leave feedback, and they said there's a firmware update. And looked at this one, you know, of course I got it on the Amazon app, and I have the latest and greatest firmware. So kind of scratching my head because this thing's supposed to have Dolby and better sound and better microphones and all that. So what I did is I moved it up here, as I showed you earlier, plugged it into my Vizio 2.1 soundbar, and knock your socks off sound. It was great. It's great. Just a couple of quick little side notes here. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there showing you the differences between these two. The second generation is a little bit wider than the first generation, as you can see there. There's more buttons and there's more microphone. Down here it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 7 microphones. Those little holes on here, I don't know if you can see it. And then on this one, this has 1 microphone. This thing still works good. I think I'm going to use this inside, and I'm still trying to figure out how to get them to communicate through the Amazon app, Alexa app deal. So, other thing too is I got the charcoal. This is a fabric type material, which I think is kind of cool. I just got the standard charcoal, I guess, color, but you can interchange these and stuff. But yeah, I like this. I'm glad I got this one. It seems to have a more responsive, when you ask Alexa to do something, it has more response to it, you know, across the room. And when you're listening to music, and you just say, you know, Alexa, play jazz or whatever, NPR news, it seems to be a lot quicker. So, you know, hopefully that explains to you. This is the box that it came in. Pretty much no frills. Alexa, play jazz.
Here's a station for jazz music, all jazz, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play jazz.
Here's a station for jazz music, all jazz, from Amazon Music.
Hey guys, you know, out of the box, this thing sounds really, really good. I think it's a big improvement over the first generation, but when you pair this, you know, you have to use the Amazon app to, you know, link the devices and search and all that. And when you hook it into a Bluetooth device like my soundbar, and knock your socks off sound. Fills this whole garage up with sound. And overall, I like it. I'm glad I got it. I'll leave a link in the description below, an Amazon link, for you guys to check it out yourself, read the reviews, and, you know, make your own decisions. But yeah, I think it's improved over the first generation. The first generation is pretty good. Always had kind of a tubular sound to it. This has a little bit more crisper sound, a little bit better voice recognition, and seems to be a little bit quicker. However, this 3.5 millimeter output, audio output jack, I wasn't really impressed. Playing through a Bluetooth is much better. So, alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.